Hey everybody in the craft hole. I'm doing a short video so I can show Deborah what our BBs look like, and I'm sure in New Zealand they look the same. But they're really heavy and they're round, and there's one, and they're metal, but hope you can hear that, Deborah. But what it does is it gets in there and it breaks up all that mica that gets your spray nozzles clogged up. And what I did was I put 2 of those little BBs, or ball bearings, in the bottles of my Glimmer Mist. And that's what you're hearing, is the BB guns, or the BBs. And it's worked. I haven't had a clogged one yet. Hope this helps. Bye.